3 tenses and 4 category. So
total
totalizing the
types of sentences in 10,
12.
right? So it will be total 3 state tense, right? 4 subtypes, right? 3 types, present, past, future.
Yeah.
4 subtypes. Uh, Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Correct?
Yeah.
Like the 4 different situations. Subtypes means fine. And then all subtypes has 6 different types of sentence. First one is affirmative, second one is negative, right? Third one is yes no question, fourth one is WH question, fifth one is yes no interrogative negative, and sixth one is WH interrogative negative. Correct?
Yeah.
Now guys, you have learned the first sentence, correct? Please scroll it down. Scroll down. Yes, correct. Leave it. Leave it. So, guys, not this one. Please go down a little bit down. This will a bit confuse you. Yes, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Actually, both are same, right? But after this, we will go on to that example. Okay. So you have learned here, right? That when it is present, then there will be is and are or has or have, right? So, and preparing, right? So, according to the situation, you can use the verb as well, right? So, you have learned the first type of sentence. Aman is preparing for an IPM exam. Guys,
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
you have learned the first one, and that is called affirmative. What is affirmative? The positive sentence where there is no negative, no question, nothing like that. Okay, a statement.
It's a
Correct?
statement. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So that is
Yes.
called affirmative. So you have learned here affirmative sentence, correct?
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you have to learn negative yes, no, WH, yes, no, negative WH interrogative. Correct? Fine.
Yes.
How can we do it without extra effort, without learning, subject plus verb plus object plus this plus that? Fine. So there is a very basic formula. Okay, for all the 3 different types of sentences. And it's a very easy answer. See, since you have learned the first sentence, right? So take the, okay, so keep the affirmative sentence as base sentence. Now when it comes to make negative sentence, so what is the formula for that? To make negative sentence or right of any affirmative sentence, any sentence in the world of any English book or literature book, you have to place not before the main verb. That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
So to make the negative of any sentence, simply place not before the main verb. What is the main verb here?
Preparing.
And preparing is the main verb, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So just before the main verb, we place not. Any sentence, whether it is question or it is WH, yes, no question, any question. Do you people have this question that why not after helping verb?
Just thinking.
I'm saying before the main verb, preparing. Do you people have question that why not after helping verb?
Maybe some sentences verb is not there.
Which
Like
verb?
like Aman is a manager, right? So there is no verb.
So that is a non-actional sentence.
Okay.
It's not a tense. Tense means remember verb forms. I told
Okay.
you. Tense means
Verb form.
actions,
Yeah.
right? Verb form. So actionable sentences. Actionable sentences, right? See, there are two types, tenses. Fine. One is non-actionable, which you said now, and one is actionable sentence. What you are learning now, it is actionable sentence.
Actionable. Yeah.
There is action, right? Fine. So see, if you say that after the helping verb or right or before the main verb, then people they sometimes confuse that you are saying the same thing. But no, I'm not saying the same thing. If you say before the main verb, right? If you say before the main verb, then that is more accurate and that is correct. But if you say after the helping verb, then that is incorrect. Okay. So this is what you have to remember. To make negative sentence, we place not before the main verb in the sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
Please do remember. Fine. Now, how do we make yes no question? So again, take the same, again you can take the same base sentence. Aman is preparing for an IPM exam. So yeah, to make yes no question, what is yes no? Yes no question means where the answer is simply ending with yes or no. So to make such sentence, you simply place helping verb in front of the affirmative sentence and rest you keep as it is. Clear? You see, in affirmative sentence, I have just placed the helping verb in the front of the right. I have taken the helping verb in front, right. I have placed it in the mouth of the sentence, and the rest thing is as it is. See that?
Right.
Like, is Aman preparing for an IPM exam? That's it. Simply, I have taken the helping verb right, and then I have placed it in the mouth, in front. That's it. Since it's a question, so question mark. Clear?
Yeah.
Now WH question. So again the same concept. Since question you have already framed. Is Aman preparing for an IPM exam? Right? Now it's a WH question. So simply put an appropriate WH word right in front of the sentence. That's it. Like why is Aman preparing for an IPM exam? How is Aman preparing for an IPM exam? Okay. So it's so simple then. Negative, yes, no, WH question. Any doubt, guys?
No, Kumar. As of
Nothing.
now, we are good.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Although, okay, just give me, okay. Please give me the access, Mr. Jitendra.
Yeah. I have given you.
You see, so I have mentioned the rules here, right? How to place not before okay, just the closest verb of subject and not after the helping verb. Fine.
Yeah.
Yes, no question. Simply place the helping verb in front of the affirmative sentence. That's it. Okay, you can correct this. Fine. WH question, simply add applicable or right or the appropriate WH words with WH question. That's it. Fine. So this is, you have to simply remember. That's it. Okay. Now you see here. This is your affirmative sentence.
Yeah.
Now for negative, what you have done? Before main verb, you have added not here. You see that? Vaibhav does not learn grammar. Yes, no question. You have brought the helping verb in front of the sentence, and rest everything is added as is. That's it. WH question. So you have added the WH appropriate word with the already framed question which you did here. You see here. See how does Vaibhav learn grammar? You see that? Now, can you people figure out how we make yes, no interrogative negative and WH interrogative negative?
Yes, no interrogative, like if I'm comparing with the second one. So what happened, like is you simply put the not before the main verb. Like does Vaibhav learn the grammar? And if I compare with the yes and no interrogative, so you simply use the word not before the main verb actually. So does Vaibhav not learn grammar?
Okay,
And
but it is
WH,
yes, no interrogative negative. Interrogative and negative both. Do you know how to frame it? Narayani,
Yeah, Kumar.
Mr. Krishna, no idea?
What we no, what we have to do exactly? Can you please?
You have learned negative yes, no, WH question
Yes, yes,
from the affirmative sentence, right?
yes,
You have taken the affirmative sentence as a base sentence, and from that, you have learned how to make negative yes, no, and WH, correct?
yeah.
yes.
What we are doing in yes, no interrogative and WH interrogative negative? No idea.
And last, I think the last one, right? So if you take the just one before, does Vaibhav not learn grammar? So we simply add the WH word, right? Does, whose
No,
does not.
Vaibhav learn. Vaibhav does not learn grammar. Does.
Guys, I
Wait,
have done
wait,
nothing.
wait. Does wait?
Okay, you remove the subject, right? Who does
Don't
not.
confuse yourself.
Does Vaibhav learn?
You have learned yes, no question, how to frame yes, no
Doesn't.
question.
Yes, yes. Doesn't Vaibhav not learn grammar? We have to put.
You have learned negative, how to make negative.
Yeah,
Yes.
So,
Doesn't Vaibhav?
so this is the so yes, no interrogative
How
negative.
does? Who does not learn?
It's just the
How does?
combination of rule of 2 and 3.
Yes, yes.
You
yeah,
see,
yeah,
interrogative you have already learned. Does Vaibhav right? Learn grammar.
Does.
Does Vaibhav learn grammar? You have learned this.
right.
Now the negative of interrogative. So you have learned that to make negative of any sentence in the world, you simply look for the main verb and then you place not before it.
Not,
That's it.
right.
Yes.
You got it now.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. That's
So
what I said. Doesn't Vaibhav learn grammar?
so to make in yes no, simply place helping verb in front of this sentence. Now, to make negative, then simply place not before the main verb. That's it. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
If yes, then yes, or if no, then no. Now, WH interrogative negative. The same thing, right? We have learned how to make WH question here,
Yeah.
right? How does Vaibhav learn grammar, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now it's negative. So again, before main verb, we will add not. Correct?
Yes.
Are you getting, guys? Is there
Yeah.
any doubt?
Yes.
But here we have removed the like subject, right? Beva, like who does not
Yes,
learn grammar.
because see,
Yes. We have to remove not WH negative questions.
you can either place the appropriate WH word there, right? Or you can accordingly place the WH word. Because I have removed here who, right? Or if you can write, forget about like who. How? Let it be
Yes or
how.
no?
Just give me a moment. Then you will not confuse, okay? How?
How
Or
how does Beva
why does
how does
learn
Beva
grammar?
not learn grammar?
No, not should not use here.
See, how does not learn? Okay. How
Subject.
does, okay, Vaibhav, right?
Yes.
Even above
How does
sentence also. Yes or no negative sentence. Doesn't Vaibhav learn grammar?
So, so either you
No,
can place, right? Find this one. See,
not it.
how does Vaibhav not learn grammar? You see that? So, why? Because see, the sentence will be the same base one, affirmative. From affirmative sentence, we have framed all these 5 types of sentences. Okay, and now you have learned how to make affirmative sentence. How? Then the basic structures SVO,
as
subject, verb, object. You see here.
yeah
So, so to make affirmative sentence of present, past, future, or any subtype, the same basic structure in the entire grammar will you will see only, and that is SVO. Fine. So yeah, so you know how to make affirmative sentence. How? Then SVO.
as we
Now, how to make negative? Simply place not before main verb. Yes, no question. Simply place helping verb in front of the affirmative sentence. WH question. Simply place the appropriate WH word in front of yes, no question. Right? This is how you make sentences. That's it. I have mentioned here these things. But yes, one time you'll have to make 72 types of sentences. Can you do that?
what is the 72 types of the sentence?
One sentence.
In tense, there are 72 types of sentences.
Okay.
You know how?
No, Kumar.
You don't know
We
that?
had only 16
How?
sentences. We
How?
had 16. 72 we have.
How many tens are there?
16.
60.
16, 1 6.
How?
Like total three tenths, like present,
Yeah,
past,
3.
future, and
Again, that
four
divides
category.
into
Four
12.
category.
12 are there.
Yeah, 3 into 4 and 12.
Yes.
12, right?
Yes.
Now each has 6 types of sentences. So how many
Okay.
are there now?
12 into 6. Okay, 72.
12 and.
Now you got it?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Fine. But you know, now can you make 72 types of sentences without memorizing, mugging up, or going through like structures and all?
Yes, we can do.
You just have to remember only these 3 things. That's it. How to WH, how to yes, no, and how to not. So not before main verb, yes, no question in front of affirmative, WH question, simply add the WH question with yes, no. That's it, right? So is it clear now? If
Yeah,
yes, then yes, or if you have still doubt, please let me know.
no, it's clear for me actually.
Because this is the most easiest path I have found ever in the grammar to make 72 types of sentences. Okay, you don't need any fun. Now in future, if you think that okay, whether I'm making mistakes, then you can simply check. Okay, how will you check? So the basic sentence, SVO, fine. Because
Yeah,
what we are doing, we are simply playing with the affirmative one, right?
right.
We are
Yes.
doing changes as per the need for rest of the sentences with the affirmative one only, right? And for affirmative, the formula is SVO. Very simple. So if you are so SVO, how to make negative? Simply place not before main verb. But since here as or does is hidden, right? And that's why in other sentences you can see does is appearing there. You see that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So you see, right. So far any doubt, guys?
no, it's good for me.
Right. Now the present continuous, I am given one present continuous example of present continuous because you can see helping verb easily appearing here,
Yeah,
right? Which was not in simple. Okay.
Yes.
So this is how you have learned how to make sentences. Now, okay, one more class is there where we will see the application when we make continuous, when we make perfect, right? When we make simple. So this is what. And then your tense, which is considered to be the foundation of the English grammar of all these sentences, right? It will be cleared, right?
yeah.
Okay. Any doubt or anything you people want to ask, you have to know here. Mr. Krishna, Mr. Jitendra, and Narayani.
Yeah, good Kumar, as
Yeah,
of
it's
now.
good for
We are
me. Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Really,
Yes.
you are really, you know, uh, it looks like, okay, see what I'm saying. Because if you have cleared this section, it means you have really achieved a very good, it's a good achievement in grammar. I'm telling you because it has been confusing students for years, right? Mainly the tense part. And if your tense part is not clear, trust me, you will face problem in each section, in voice, in narration, everywhere. Okay, but you can do one thing, guys, right? To make your this concept totally strengthen, you can do one thing, and that is make at least 72 types of sentences once, and without looking anything. But you can do it after one more class. Okay, when you
Okay.
will, all right. Or you can simply like know one thing here, right? Is are or was were. Okay, is are we use in present, was were we use in past, right? Has have we in present with perfect, had in past. Anyway, we will have one more class and then you can make 72 types of sentences. Okay,
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Anything you people want to ask or know here? I hear nothing. I hear, okay. Mr. Krishna, do you have anything you want to ask?
Yeah, I'm good at this point of time. Yeah,
Okay, so this one is clear?
yeah, yes, Kumar. Yeah.
Okay, that really sounds great. Okay, all right, guys. So this is all about the tense part, right? Sentence formations. Okay, so in level one, right, we learned about the application of main verb and the helping verb. In level two, we have learned about sentence formation. And in level 3, we will learn the application of verb. If I had completed all these 3 lessons together, you people may have confused a lot, right? That generally happens. That's why I have broken into 3 parts so that you could learn it as easily as possible like a baby. Okay? So you can remember that the first slot verb wise, tense verb wise, right? Then the helping verb, right? In second level, how we frame 72 types of sentences merely by knowing only 3 basic concepts. That's it. So to frame 72 types of sentences, you have only 3 basic concepts, right? Now in the next class we will learn when we make only like simple sentences, when we make, is that clear?
Yeah.
Right. So this is how we have covered tense here and 66.3, okay, what? 60, yeah, 66.67% is how we calculate we have done in tense. And then after we will cover the lessons of the grammar, which will be very easy to understand and then learn further. Okay. All right, guys, if you people want to ask anything, know anything, please do let me know. All right. Then I will let you go for the day. Okay,
Yeah, I am good so far actually, Kumar. So
fantastic.
no problem.
Yeah, even I am also good,
There shouldn't
Kumar.
be, let me tell
No
you,
doubts.
yeah, it shouldn't be,
No
you
question.
know, in the background that, oh, yeah, something, yeah. Even like, fine, there shouldn't be even a like a background doubt in the background of your mind. Okay, if not, I'm ready to explain once again to clear once again. But if you're done, then that is what is needed here. Okay. All right, everyone. So you have a beautiful day ahead. All right. Enjoy your day and thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks you too.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Thank you.
All right. Okay, bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Have a nice day.
You too have a nice day. Have a beautiful day. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Police investigated and damaged the